Keep rubbing. Keep rubbing. Generate some good heat. Now the warm palms. Gently massage on your eyes and cheeks. Get your palms in front of the eyes. Gently open the eyes and look at your palms first. Let's start today's practice with remembering all the energy centers in the palms. Namaste. Let's bow down to Mother Earth and Sage Patanjali once. Come up. Let's start quickly with our breathing. Stand up. Stand. Pull. Okay, bend. Take your hips, glutes back. Slightly bend. Keep bending. Go deep for 5 breaths. We are going to do abdominal breathing. Udarashwasa. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Straight. Spine should be straight like this. Slightly. You can micro bend your knees to Urashwasa. Let's start. Breathe from chest and abdomen. 1. As slow as possible. 2, 3. See my stomach pushing out and sinking in. 4, 5. Very good. Now stand straight. Both the foot together. Hands up all the way and bend towards the back. Biceps touching the ears. Elbows facing the ceiling. Let's start. Vrivashvasa. The air has to pass through the shoulders, chest, and abdomen. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now, slowly lift it up and back. Release. Now, Purna Swasa Krigalu. We'll do dynamic breathing. So let's start. All together. Palms on the thighs facing upwards. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue. 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now palms on the thighs facing down. 5 times same action. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. In. Out. 3, 4. One last. Very good. Now hands extending to the sides, palms facing up. Let's start. Inhale, take it all the way to Namaskara. Exhale. Slowly. 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now palms facing down. Very good. Now extending your arms forward like this. Extending. Take it all the way back. Inhale. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now, palms facing away, 5 times, same action. Very good. Now, interlock your fingers, push, inhale, and exhale. In and out. In, out, out, out over the face. Vertical all the way up. Very good. Now slightly bend like this. Bend. Take your hips back. Spine straight. Slightly micro bending the knees. Extending your throat. Extending your tongue. Dog breathing. Svanashvasa. Let's start 30 times. See my stomach. Sinking in and releasing out. Very good. Thirty times. Done. Once you're done, just relax. Very good. Just relax. Once you're done, just relax. Okay. Stand. Put. Forming a V shape. Both the heels together. Left hand, Chin Mudra. Right hand, Chin Mudra, touching the left ear. Let's squat for 15 times here. Okay. Straight, elbows touching the knees. The variation is you can go on your toes like this, or else you can do half squat. 1, 2. If comfortable, do a full squat. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Nice. Just relax, throw your legs. Okay, cool. So both the foot together, stand straight, Tadasana Sthiti. Go take your leg towards the right like this, T, right? Extending the arms and inhale here, exhale left. Okay? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Faster, little bit. 2, 3, 4. Extending arms and go to the sides. 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. 11. Feel the stretch in your shoulders. 12, 13, 14, 15. Come on, 5 more. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Just relax. Relax. Now stand straight. maybe hip width distance. We'll do shoulder rotation slowly, clockwise, front to back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up and exhale. Straight, elbows should be straight through. Extend forward all the way up and back. Rotate your shoulders. 4, very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. Let's switch. Quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way up. Give a good stretch. 8, 9. Breathe in, breathe out. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Just relax. Now we'll do jumping jacks. You can take one by one, all the way up and back. All the way up and back. 10 times. Let's start. 1, back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Continue. 3, little bit faster. 4, very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now 10 times we'll do this. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, let's start. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Very good, sir. 9, 10. Super. Just relax. Just relax. Throwing the legs and relax. One last lateral bend. Inhale up. Exhale. Lateral bend. And up. Inhale and exhale here. Right hand up and bend towards your left. Come to the position. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3, 4. With every breath, let's try to go deeper. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold here. Hold. Let's hold. 5, 4. Try to go deep. Elbow straight. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up and release your hands while you exhale slowly. Very good. So you felt the good stretch on your right intercostal muscles and shoulders, right? Now opposite. Inhale up, slowly exhale and back to inhale. 2, 3, 4, very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and very nice. Just relax. Hope our body are warmed up now. Come to tabletop. Come to tabletop. A forearm width distance. Knees and Hips are in one line, shoulders and wrist are in one line. Okay, not too backwards, not too straight. Just adjust. We'll do cat and cow breathing. Inhale, look up, arching your lower spine, and exhale, rounding your upper spine. Inhale, exhale. Continue. Inhale, elbows should be straight. Exhale, push it. Keep pulling your back leg this up and push. Inhale, exhale. 5. Slow and steady. 6. 7. Very good. Push it up. 8. 9. One last. Beautiful. Very nice. Now our spine has waken up. So let's start in tabletop. Take your right hand up and left hand back and hold there. Straight it has to be. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Engage in the core. 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, breathe out. 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Left hand, right leg. Left hand and right leg. Biceps touching the air. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Come back. Very nice. Stay here. Just relax. Relax. Let's pulse the glutes now. Extend up and down here. Don't have to go down. This is the neutral position. Right leg up. Inhale and exhale. 2, 3. Engage your glutes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knees should be straight. 9, 10. Slowly get it to tabletop and switch. Left arm, left leg up, straight. 1, 2, as high as possible. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly back. Very good. One last variation. Hip opener. Inhale and back like this. Watch. In and back. In and back. Raise it as high as possible. 3, 4. Inhale up and exhale down. 6, 7. Very good. Raise it as high as possible. Knees should be parallel to the mat. Very good. 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Now switch. Switch. 1, 2 on the left. 3. Raise it as high as possible. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly back to tabletop. From there, go to child pose and relax. Extending the arms. Relax. Hope our body is completely warmed up now for our main movements. Just relax. Let's be prepared for our main movements, physically and mentally. relax. Come to tabletop. We have few variations here. 5 movements. Just watch. Okay, come to. Okay, just watch first the mountain. Yes, sir, this thing. Yes, sir. With every asanas, we will do 3 breaths. Like for example, mountain 1, 2, 3. From there, I'll go to high plank like this. I'll hold here 1, 2, 3. From there, tabletop. Third one is tabletop 1, 2, 3. Fourth one, taking the chest close to the mat. If that is not easy, you can drop your chest down. But hips should be off the mat. See, there is a good space between my hips. I'm arching like this. Okay? Ashtanga. This is Ashtanga. 1, 2, 3. And from there, Bhujanga. Scoop up to Cobra like this. Okay, only chest level. 1, 2, 3, and back to mountain. Okay, I will show you again how it looks from here. 1, 2, 3, plank. 1, 2, 3, tabletop. 1, 2, 3, Ashtanga. 1, 2, 3, scoop up. 1, 2, 3, and back to mountain. That is one cycle. Okay, clear? We'll all do together. To come to tabletop. 5 beautiful transitions. Come to Parvatasana. 1. Breathe 3 times. Breathe in, breathe out. 2, 3. Come to Lokalakasana or plank pose. Hold there. 1, 2. It should be like a plank, not too high or low. Up. 1, 2, 3. Ashtanga. Taking your chest down. If possible, stay off the mat or else drop your chest. But hips should be off the mat. 1, 2, 3. Now scoop up like this. Elbows close to the body. Lightly bend and look up. Engage your lower back. Look up. 1, 2, 3. Back. Okay, that was one cycle. Continue. From mountain, stay 1, 2, 3. Come to high plank. Palakasana. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Drop your knees down to tabletop. Breathe. 3 counts. 3, 2, 1. Go to Ashtanga now. Yeah, very nice. 1, 2, 3. Scoop up to Cobra. Scoop up. Don't have to lift too much. Elbows should be bent. Elbows should be bent like this. Only by up to the chest. Only chest should be up. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Back to mountain. Yeah. 3 more cycles. Mountain. Hold there. 3, 2, 1. Come to high plank or hand plank. Plank posture. Plank posture. 1, 2, 3. Drop your knees down. Come to tabletop. Tabletop is like relaxing pose. 1, 2, 3. Go to Ashtanga. Drop your chest down like a push-up. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Scoop up. 1, 2, 3. Back to mountain. Give me 2 more cycles. Hold here. If I tell hold, that is holding to the posture, not to the breath. Don't have to hold the breath. 1, 2, 3. Come to high plank. 1, 2, 3. Drop your knees. Tabletop. Adjust. 1, 2, 3. Ashtanga. Taking your chest close to the mat. 1, 2, 3. Push it. Scoop up to Bhujanga. 1, 2, 3. Push back to mountain. Hold there. 1, 2, 3. Last. High plank. 1, 2, 3. Drop your knees. 1, 2, 3. Ashtanga. 1, 2, 3. Scoop up to Bhujanga. 1, 2, 3. Now back. Back to mountain. Slowly go to child pose and relax. Very good. Relax. Come back up. Come back. Now we'll do this 5 transition with one hold only. Okay, don't have to hold 3 counts. Let's do like little bit faster. Just watch me. Mountain, plank, tabletop, bhujanga, and back. Mountain, high plank, tabletop, ashtanga, bhujanga, and back. So let's do this faster 5 times. Okay. So let's start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. From mountain, inhale, exhale, then inhale, tabletop, exhale, ashtanga, inhale. So it's like alternate, inhale and exhale. Yeah, 5 times. Take your time. Yeah, scoop up to bhujanga, only the up to chest level. Yeah, very good. Let's give a good stretch in mountain. Try to take your head down. Try to touch your heels down. Yeah, very nice. So if you are observe, we are hitting all the 9 joint movements in this sequence. Hit up slowly. Go to mountain. Adjust. Take time. 5 counts. I'm not giving the counts. First, take your own time for 5 numbers. Once you are done, just relax in child pose. Give a good stretch, extending your arms forward as much as possible. Relax. Any discomfort in the body? If your body tells you to stop, please stop and stay. Rest. Let's not force our body. Relax. Come back. Cool. So come to tabletop for the next variation. One more hip opener. Taking the leg up like this, straight, and getting to the sides like this, and back. Okay, this is the position neutral. Inhale and exhale. My body is not moving, only my leg. I'm not moving my body all the way back and forward. Okay, so let's start. Extend as much as possible. Open the hip and back. Inhale, side and back. Feel the burn in your glutes, right glute on and inner thighs, and opening the hips. We are releasing the tightness in the hips. 5, inhale, exhale, very good. Straight, elbows, sorry, knees should be straight. 7, very nice. 8, straight, try to keep it straight. If you have any knee issues, can micro bend. 9 and 10, and let's hold there. Hold there. 5, squeeze your glutes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back. Very good. Let's switch now on the left. Let's switch it on the left. Back, inhale, exhale. Back and sides. 3, 4, 5, 6. It has to be in the same height. Don't have to drop your leg while coming to the side. 7, very nice. 8, 9, and 10, and hold there. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax. Go to child pose and relax. Very good. Come up. Just watch me. Into pelvic bridging or Setu Bandhasana. It is called as like a bridge pose. Okay. I lie down on my spine, supine position, bending the thumb, legs bending like this. Both the knees straight, touching each other. I mean, both the knees touching each other. Lifting up, pushing your hips as much as possible. Okay. If this is comfortable, stay, or you can take your hand support and push it little bit up. Okay, and slowly down. Let's not touch our hips on the back. Slightly up. Push, inhale, and exhale here. Push and back. Okay, pelvic breathing. So let's start together. Come to the position. Lie down. Bend your knees. Get it close to your heels, close to your glutes. If you want, you can keep a rolled towel or a cloth below your head for the extra support. Okay, bend, just adjust yourself. Lift up, inhale, push your hips forward as high as possible, and slowly, as you exhale, get it down. Let's not touch the mat, slightly above the mat. Push, inhale, and exhale back. You can take your support of your hands like a stand. 3, push, and slowly exhale. Inhale, exhale properly. 4, push, very good. And back. 5, push, and back, very good. 6, 7, 8, slowly back. 9, slowly back. 10, 5 more. Let's do it 5 more. Push it as with every exhale. Let's push high. 1, 2, last 3. Come on, push. 3, 2, and let's hold there. Let's hold 5. Push it up. 4, hold. 3, 2, 1. Slowly dropping your hips. Don't drop it harshly, very slowly and gently, and extending your legs forward and relax. Relax there. Relax. Come back. Turn towards right always. You have to turn towards right. Push the left hand for support like a stand and wake your body up. Okay, good. Come back. Come back to tabletop. So you remember the first sequence, right? So let's do that 10 times. Okay, little bit, slightly. We'll try to increase the pace. If you need any break in between, please go ahead. Take some water, wipe your sweat, or go to child pose and relax. Let's start. Come to mountain. First, adjust in mountain. Let's increase our just 5% here. Okay, every posture. Mountain, adjust. Let's start together. Come to mountain. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. High plank, push. Tabletop, push up, scoop up, Bhujanga, cobra pose, and back. Continue, plank, tabletop, push up, scoop up to cobra, and back. 3, 4, 5. Very good. Very good. More pressure on the arms, more tension on the muscles, more the muscle growth. 6. Come on, 4 more. Inhale, exhale. Alternate your inhale, exhale with every posture. 7. 3 more, 3 more. 2 more. 1 last. Now, once you're done 10 counts, just relax. So if you observe, these are all counter postures. Once we do forward, once we do backwards. Very nice. Just relax. While scooping up, don't have to do full bhujanga, just half. Very nice. Relax. Super. Very good. Very dynamic movement. Very good. Okay. Come to tabletop or just sitting and watch. We'll do pelvic bridging, but with little bit of variation. Okay. Extending the version of what we did previously. Same way, lie down on the supine position on the spine. Push pelvic. If you're comfortable here, taking the leg, one leg up here. Okay, see only if you're comfortable, or else you can drop and be there. Okay, only if you're comfortable, inhale there, exhale, back. Keep pushing, take the support of your hands like this, like a stand. Inhale up and exhale back. Inhale and exhale. Or else, if you find the challenge, you can just do what we did previously. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. This will make our hips stronger, especially the pelvis and the tailbone. So let's try. Let's come to the position. Don't force yourself. I'm just showing the variations. If you feel your body can accept, please go ahead, or else do the previous one. Hip wide and taking the right leg up, inhale and back slowly. 2. Very good. 3. Take support of your hands like a stand and push. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. 6. 7. Very nice. 8. 9. 10. Relax. Just relax. Go down. Lie down on your spine comfortably and relax. You want extending your legs and relax there. Relax comfortably. Come back to the position. Both the knees bent. Heels close to the glutes. Up to come to the pelvic bridging position. Let's switch on to the left now. Yeah, 1 and back. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're not comfortable, do the previous posture. Just normal pelvic. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Relax. Get your hips down. Extending your legs and stay comfortably. in a relaxed posture. Very good. Stay there. Turn towards your right. Push your left palm and come up. Come up to sitting position. Okay. See if you can kneel down like this. You can keep a rolled, you can roll any towel or cloth and keep below your knees. See if you can come like this. Comfortable. Sir, Agata. Just a kneel down position. Or else you can bend your mat. See something like this. If your mat is straight like this, you can just hold, you can bend like this so that you will have that extra cushion. You can bend your mat or you can take a towel, just roll it nicely, have below your knees like this. Okay, so that you can do. Okay, tuck your toes down. Don't have to tuck it high, down. Comfortable. So now what we are going to do, we have to push forward, push our hips forward, go down slowly and push. Okay, fine. From here, this Vajrasana. Inhale, push, exhale, slowly back. Take support of your thumbs behind and push. Okay. Inhale and slowly go back. Inhale, push and exhale. Push gently. Don't have to be harsh on your pelvis. Just slowly push and back. Slowly try. Sir, ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. If your knee is hurting, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು you can try. Very beautiful posture or movement for your pelvis, making them strong. Push and back. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು. Give me 10 counts if possible. I know there is too much pressure on the knees. That's why I gave you an alternate. You still feel discomfort, please stay away from this. Once you're done, hit 10, just relax. Come to cross leg or extending your legs forward. Once you're done, sit straight, extending your legs. We'll do one last twisting movement. Okay, cool. Bharadwajasana, I'll give you 2 variations. Whichever you feel comfortable, you can do. One is extending your legs, inhaling and adjusting the spine, lengthening that spine and trying to twist it all the way to a side. Okay, one more. Actual Bharadwajasana is taking the left leg down like this, right leg straight like this. Only if your knee supports you, you can go to this posture, or else extending that and doing the same action. Straight, both the knees straight, center of the body, inhaling that, exhaling, turning towards your right, lengthening that spine. Okay, you have to lengthen the spine from the hands like this. Lengthen and looking bowed. So we are getting a beautiful stretch around our midsection. Okay, so that is a posture. 2 variations, whichever you feel comfortable. Both are same. Only that Bharadwajasana simple one, that is extended one. That's all. But twist is same. Whichever you are comfortable, please go ahead. Inhale up and exhale slowly. Turn. Left palm on the right pocket. Right hand close to the tailbone and stretch this. See this hand. If you stretch, spine is lengthened there and look. Like, or you want to do Bharadwajasana, insert like this and hold there. Hold. 1, breathe in, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly up and back. So let's switch. On the left, you have to take our right leg down, left leg up, or else extend both the legs there and let's do. Sitting straight, spine should be straight. Inhale there, adjust your spine, lengthen that spine. Exhale, slowly turn. Right hand goes on the left pocket, left hand on the tailbone, extending that. Don't shrug your shoulders, turn back. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly, hands up and release. Very good cooling down posture. Just release the legs and just relax. Cool. Very good. Just sit straight, cross legs, sitting straight. Inhale up, exhale, drop your palms, walk your palms forward, forward, how much you can. Don't have to force. Forward and hold there. Hold wherever you are, just hold for 5 breaths. Let's cool down our body. Hold there. 1, 2, without lifting the glutes. 3, 4, breathe in, breathe out. 5, 3 more counts. 3, 2, 1. Slowly walk, 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 walk back, walk back. Come up. Relax. Sit straight. Shoulder relax. With the palms and the thighs, you can keep like this. Akasha Mudra, facing up. Open for learning. And close the eyes and relax. Let's catch our breath there. Let's get our breath to the normal state. Heart rhythm to the normal. Let our body get cool on your normal breathing. Let's observe the changes in the body, whatever we are feeling. Just go through how we were at the beginning of the class and how our body, mind, and soul is feeling now. Changes in the physical level, mental level, and emotional. Relax. Let's be in silence for next 1 minute. Natural breathing. Slowly bringing the awareness back onto the body. Both the palms together, gently touching each other, forming a Pranama Mudra and getting it to the heart center. Let's conclude today's practice with one deep Omkara and Shanti mantra. Inhale. Let's bow down once to Mother Earth and sage Patanjali. Come up, gently rubbing the palms, receiving the divine cosmic energy from the universe. Keep rubbing, keep receiving, keep rubbing. Now it's time to spread this beautiful energy onto the body, starting from eyes, feet, and head. Spread, spread, spread. Keep spreading throughout the body. Keep your eyes closed. Get your palms in front of the eyes. Let's take this moment to thank the Almighty, thank our parents, gurus, our spouse, children, siblings, complete family and relatives, all our friends, colleagues, all the business partners, all the people whom we have met, all the people whom we know. Let's take this moment to thank each and every one of them. Now, gently with a good smile, open your eyes and look at your palms first. Let's conclude today's practice with remembering all the energy centers in the palms. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining in today's practice. Hope you had a good session. I'll see you all